here with Max. We are about to go on to the Autocross week here in pit races. This is my first time trying this out, and I am stoked. I mean, I couldn't be more excited. So let's see how this goes. Let's have fun. Go.
I get the sweat from getting my eyes.
I know.
All right.
Yeah, boy. Man.
If I wasn't sliding so much, I get a little bit better time.
That was so much fun, man. Just the turning is just, oh,
Yeah, that's where the fun's at in the turn.
that's fun, man.
Yep.
That is, I appreciate that more than you could ever imagine.
You're welcome, man.
That is just, that was one of the cool.
Too one time. It was fun.
That was one of the cooler experiences. I mean, honestly, in a car, that was probably, besides the time that I went all like 160, that was the coolest thing I've ever done in a car. Awesome.
Glad you had fun, man.
I really did. How do you have any kind of social media or anything that they can see what you're doing?
Yeah. Mad.max.tuning.
Okay.
Yep.
Awesome, man.
Instagram. Yep.
I appreciate it.
All right. Thanks, man.
Thank you. Yeah.